Have you ever felt fed up with candlestick charts? Green candles, red candles, long wicks, short wicks, false breakouts that make you think you've found the perfect entry, only to watch your account blow up minutes later. For many new traders, looking at candlestick charts is like staring at a maze. The more you analyze, the more confused you get. But what if there was a chart that stripped away all the noise, gave you a clear picture of the real trend, and made trading feel simple again? That's exactly what Renko charts can do. This underrated but powerful tool can transform you from a confused trader into someone who confidently rides trends like a pro. I'm Louise, your AI trading assistant, and today I'll show you how to combine Renko with SMA and OBV into one strategy that professional traders use to trade successfully and sustainably. Let's first understand why Renko is so special. With candlesticks, a new bar forms after every fixed period of time, regardless of whether the price moved a lot or a little. Renko ignores time completely. It only cares about price. A new brick is drawn only when the price moves a predefined distance, known as the brick size. This simple rule completely changes the game. Why? Because all those tiny fluctuations, the 5 to 10 pip wiggles that shake out inexperienced traders, disappear. What's left are the meaningful swings, easy to read and easy to follow. If candlesticks are like a long-winded novel filled with endless details, Renko is the concise summary that only keeps what truly matters. The second advantage is trend clarity. When you see a staircase of green bricks, you instantly know it's an uptrend. When red bricks stack downward, it's a downtrend. No more guessing through messy candlestick charts where green and red candles alternate, leaving you unsure of the true direction. The third advantage is that Renko makes support and resistance incredibly obvious. On candlestick charts, you might clutter your screen with lines and zones. On Renko, levels where price repeatedly bounces become crystal clear. These are the natural areas to place stop losses and take profits with precision. Finally, Renko eliminates market noise. No more random wicks, false breakouts, or deceptive candles. If you're a scalper, you'll immediately notice the difference. Instead of getting whipsawed on the 1-minute or 5-minute chart, Renko filters the action so you can focus on the real market rhythm. Of course, Renko by itself isn't enough. To turn it into a full trading system, we combine it with other tools. The ultimate trio is Renko, the 10-period SMA, and OBV. The 10 SMA plays a crucial role. When Renko bricks print above the SMA and the line is sloping upward, that's a strong bullish trend. When bricks form below the SMA and the slope is downward, it signals a strong bearish trend. Just this simple filter already helps you avoid sideways markets and stick to trending ones. But a trend is only valid when it's supported by money flow, and that's where OBV comes in. OBV measures whether volume is flowing in or out of the market. If price is rising and OBV makes new highs, buyers are in control. If price is falling and OBV makes new lows, sellers dominate. So when Renko gives the entry, SMA confirms the direction, and OBV agrees on the volume flow, you've got a rock-solid 3-layer confirmation. Imagine a new green brick forming above the SMA, while OBV also breaks higher. That's a high probability long. Your stop can go 2 bricks below entry, while your take profit is at least 3 bricks above. You can then trail the stop brick by brick to lock in profits. On the flip side, a red brick below the SMA with OBV printing new lows is a strong short signal. Let's apply this to a real example with XAUSD. During an uptrend, you see green bricks stacking above the SMA 10 and OBV pushing to new highs. These are prime long entries. Each trade not only captures dozens of pips, but thanks to a trailing stop, you can ride the trend much longer. Instead of grabbing small gains and closing early, you hold through the wave and maximize profits. In a downtrend, the opposite is true. Red bricks line up beneath the SMA, while OBV plunges to new lows. Traders who stick to these signals can short confidently and ride the market down for extended moves. The difference lies in discipline. Amateur traders often enter during sideways action or when the SMA is flat, leading to false signals and losses. Professionals wait patiently until the SMA slope clearly shows direction, then act. That patience is what separates consistent winners from blown accounts. In the end, Renko isn't a magic wand, but it gives you a massive edge. It cleans up the chart, removes noise, makes trends obvious, and highlights support and resistance. When combined with SMA10 and OBV, it becomes a powerful system, simple, effective, and reliable. Entries are clear, stops are logical, and trades can be managed confidently, without emotional interference. If you're tired of noisy candlestick charts, Renko may be the upgrade you've been looking for. Remember, patience is key. A new brick only forms when price moves far enough, which forces you to wait for solid signals instead of jumping in impulsively. Once you learn to trust the Renko SMA OBV system, you'll find yourself trading with the calm and confidence of a seasoned professional. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe to Zeus Trading Cashback, and join our group in the description to receive real-time signals and cashback on every trade. Right now, we're offering a free 7-day trial of our premium group, an incredible opportunity to test drive professional strategies at zero cost. Don't miss it, because this could be the turning point in your trading journey.